country level, training to JKC students through STP, IAG, various platforms. So I would like to furnish brief information, seminar talk. What are the employability skills and its importance? And further, a student has to get utmost satisfaction soon after his recruitment in an MNC. That's really very important. Most of us really understood. Few students being selected through MNC, through the selection drives. But after few months, when they've been given call letter, they're not really joining into that stream. Soon after the completion of graduation, they are being selected by Infosys, Microsoft, with whom our collegiate commissioner education they have been tied up. They are not really getting through that. So here my interest with all the lecturers and associated with the JKs and other programs. Please have a look with this simple slide PPT information and encourage our students to really satisfy the goal to be achieved of that company, of that organization. Please. So what are the employability skills? Employability skills are non-technical skills and being given various names like generic skills, key competencies and whatnot. These are thrust areas, important areas a student has to inculcate for them. We have to really help. And there are different skills like communication skills, teamwork skills, problem solving skills, initiative and enterprise skills, planning, organizing skills, self-management skills, learning skills, technological skills. These are important areas. Every aspect of these skills are very important. We, the learned lecturers, having good acumen with each and every multifaceted computer technology must really help our students. Just a thing that is enough if you could speak in English. That's not really very true. Most of us really understood with our fine feedback and resource information given by our eminent resource persons. They are really given what's really, it's one attitude, it's the aptitude, problem solving, puzzles. These are different things on which we must have to concentrate. This is a earnest request to all of our lecture community to put in that way your studious work apart from the regular class work. So let's have a few other important information regarding these skills. Communication skills really contributes relationship between customers and employees. Very important. And teamwork skills, as usual, it's really a productive working relationship and outcomes. And problem solving skills contribute to productive outcomes and really helps a lot. This is very important area. Initiative and enterprise skills which contribute to innovative outcome. Planning and organizing skills contributing to long-term and short-term strategic planning. Self-management skills contributing to employee satisfaction and its growth with the organization and that company. And moreover, we really concentrate with this area before the recruitment. Learning skills, expanding employee and company operations and its outcomes with it all. We provide analytical skills, soft skills, spoken English and even technical skills through our platforms like JKC, IAG and STP. We are really providing information. Apart from that, I would like to have the holistic approach to really satisfy the company. These are areas they get through aptitude, written skills, spoken format. After that, what has to do? That student has to really go through the company and its structure and its hierarchy must really be content, satisfied. So all the holistic techniques shown in this PPT must be performed by the student. So they are really very at a great level if you strive a lot through our JKC platform by getting through these orientation programs. It's better on our part to be very clear with our job apart from the regular teaching. And here is the assessment to be the 5 areas for the staff, even for the students. Self-confidence, personal presentation, attitude, teamwork, planning and organizing, problem solving, IT skills, writing and numeracy skills, reliability, flexibility, enthusiasm, motivation. It's not that just by giving this pictorial graphical representation, and need not to really confuse. We know all these things. We must select the student with this part. That's my interest in it. Not to go, not to confuse this one. And finally, it's a fine effort from all these techniques. One really has a tremendous importance to get to this area, to get the real estimate of the present society. The Scottish CPI came up with a government's definition of employability and goes into it. Can you guess? That's nothing but big attitude. We have really been given fine information, narrated stories from our research persons every time. It is the attitude by which aspirant seems to be inactive. Yesterday we have really observed. And with this, I would like to get the feedback from all of you. Do you have any questions? I'm really very interested. My interest is, through this employability skills, really it's very great job for all of us, being teacher, the finest profession, where we cannot ask, we cannot get in a form of a monetary, in form of anything. In other professions we sell ideas, commodities, advertisement people, professional, they get something in form of money, fame, glory. But our teachers with broader perspection, nothing else. We really strive for our students' benefit after 10 years. We've been selected for IAS or MNC. My student really got that. That's the great glory, wealth that we have to retain. So we are really fortunate by the CC department and the principal and even Jane to ASC, direct madam, even Deva for providing this fine opportunity to express, to exchange our ideas. And here I would like to thank to all those teachers, the ancient, the past, from whom all of us have benefited from their learning, have benefited from their teaching. So I want to thank to all those teachers who time has taken through the wheel of time, and to the evaluator for giving this marvelous opportunity, and last but not the least, this is the debut PPT performance of Mr. Enashulus Srikanth, and I would like to really dedicate this PPT presentation to my dear fellow participants on this occasion, and thank you very much.